Review requests help you promote your business and collect feedback. However, if you use a different sender in every request, customers will get confused. To avoid that resistance, you can now set a default phone number and email address for review requests at the location level. Let's learn how. Navigate to the Settings tab inside the Reputation section. Switch to your desired channel. You can choose from SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Select your desired email or phone number to send the requests from. This can be overridden during a request by using the Sender dropdown menu. Eliminate confusion caused by system-selected sender identities by delivering requests from a familiar number or email address to improve the professionalism, branding, and credibility of requests sent through manual review, campaigns, and workflows. Requesting reviews helps you build social proof and increase sales conversions. And thanks to this update, you can ensure you'll receive a response whenever you send them out. This helps you passively turn buyers into brand advocates. We hope you enjoy it.